Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change a tire quickly and safely in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a new driver or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will save you time and stress. Let's get started. First, pull over to a flat, stable spot away from traffic. Turn on your hazard lights, set the parking brake, and place wheel wedges behind the opposite tires to prevent rolling. Safety is absolutely crucial. Never skip these steps. Grab your spare tire jack and lug wrench, usually found in the trunk. Remove the hubcap if your car has one. Then loosen the lug nuts by turning counterclockwise. But don't remove them yet. We need the tire on the ground for leverage. Place the jack under the vehicle's jacking point. Check your manual for the exact location. This is critical for safety. Pump the jack until the flat tire is 2-3 inches off the ground. Never put any body part under the car. Now remove the lug nuts completely and pull off the flat tire. Keep the nuts in a safe place so they don't roll away. Line up the spare with the bolts, push it on firmly, then hand tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to keep it even. The star pattern ensures even pressure. This prevents warping. Carefully lower the car until the spare touches the ground. Now we can fully tighten the lug nuts with the wrench. Fully tighten the lug nuts with the wrench using that same star pattern. Double check they're secure and you're done. And that's it. You've just changed a tire like a pro. Remember, spare tires are temporary. Drive under 50 miles per hour to a shop for a permanent fix. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and comment if you've ever been stuck with a flat. Stay safe and see you next time. Thanks for watching.